going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, B&K Vlogs. Today we are bringing y'all another cooking video, and it's a very big staple in our household for like the holiday season. So what you baking today, baby?
We are baking our take.
Well, not even baking.
Or no, we're not baking. It's a
no-bake. Yeah, it's like a no-bake dessert.
Making
yeah.
A take on the Ghirardelli Peppermint Bark.
We think it's Ghirardelli. I'll put a picture of it right here. Okay, I'll put it right here. So I'm actually behind the camera today. Kim's gonna show y'all how to do this no-bake peppermint bark. Let's get into it.
Okay, so these are the ingredients that you will need. You'll need your dark chocolate. If you don't like dark chocolate, you can use milk chocolate. We have our white chocolate, 2 separate spoons because we don't do any double dipping over here. We got spatulas to spread out everything, and then a little packet of peppermints. And we have to crumble these up, so you gotta use what you got. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by putting this in the microwave, and you wanna try not to burn it. I feel like it probably is easy to burn it, so we're gonna do it in increments. I'm gonna put it in for about 30 seconds, and then check on it. 30 seconds is up. You gotta be careful
it's hot.
Not to burn yourself. And we're gonna try to see if it's making some progress. You can see that it's melting a little bit on the side. And we're gonna pop it in for another 30 seconds.
Ooh, there we go.
It's making some progress. Oh yeah. So now we got this consistency where we can actually pour it out. So we got some wax paper here. You can use parchment paper. To be honest, I don't know the difference between the two, but we're gonna just pour this out. And I'm not gonna pour all of it out because I'm gonna use some to drizzle on the top later. And now this needs to go into the refrigerator or the freezer. Put that in there and let it freeze until it hardens. I'm at the fire the cameraman because he keeps eating my white chocolate chip.
They are so good.
Get out the way. Gonna get. Okay, so now while we are waiting on the dark chocolate to harden, we are going to crumble up these peppermint pieces. I tried to crumble them up where I have some that are different sizes. So you have some that are really fine and some pieces that are in chunks, just so it can look pretty. Now that's all frozen. We went ahead and got our white chocolate all melted up.
Sorry, that paper was bothering me.
Oh, you're fine. You do the white chocolate the same exact way. We ran into the issue of it still being thick, so we had to add a little bit of olive oil to try to loosen it up, and that pretty much got it loosened up. So now we're going to pour this on top of the dark chocolate. And now this goes back into the freezers. So we forgot a step. So I'm gonna take some more chocolate, some dark chocolate, and try to drizzle it. Okay, we finally pulled the finished product out of the freezer. Now we have to break it up into our little small pieces.
All right, so I guess I'll be the taste tester. All right, so that's what it looks like. It looks really good though, baby. You did good on this batch.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Don't be just saying it. Be nice. You gotta let people know. I think it'd be a lot better though if I had the peppermint oil, because the chocolate would be even more pepperminty.
Yeah, it's good though.
If that's a word.
Great dessert side dish. If you got a party coming up, a late Christmas party, a New Year's Eve party. Heck, this don't even have to be just for Christmas.
Quick and easy.
No bake. But we're gonna sit here and eat some of this because it's the holidays and we can. But
oh yeah, holiday calories don't count. No, they don't.
But anyways, that's it for this video. If y'all like it, hit it with a like, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.